Hi, I'm Mike, the owner. This is my wife, Darcy. This is my son, Mike Bowen. We're Bowen Heating and Air. We started in 2016, and I got the family involved. I just felt like the customers weren't getting what they deserved. I didn't want to sell them on a bunch of stuff they didn't need or want. That's what I pride ourselves on, is that we can fix a lot of the systems and not just sell them a new one. And I like the instant gratification, because when you fix something and they're happy and they thought they had to buy a whole new system, they're excited, and that makes me feel good. So I'm in it for that, obviously, and then also to pass it down to my kids, and hopefully they pass it down to their kids.